Hi, Russell.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good.
What are you up to?
Just get my bike serviced.
Good.
Here we have Neil from North Kootenay Bike Shop.
Hey, Russ. Yeah, today we're going to take Russell's bike and we're going to strip it down. We're going to take all the tires off. We're going to check all the brakes, all the rotors. We're going to bleed the brakes as well. And we're going to install new pads on his bike. Brand new bike. Hard season of riding. So here we go. And now you can pull that cap, that little top part. See much air you got.
Did it come right out?
Yeah, just plop it out slowly. Yeah. Okay, let's see what it looks like here. Ooh, Russell.
What?
Good job. Good job. Black as black can be. We're gonna have to do a double bleed here. Look at that. Good job, Russell. Riding that hard, buddy. That's what Jeff says. Ride her hard.
Ride her hard.
Yeah, we'll do a double flush here. This done. Yeah, that's kind of not a bad idea. You would just take the customer's bike and, you know, if it's a real fancy.
Like this one is.
Like this one is, of course. You put your plug in,
Yeah.
right? Take this off. Because then it's just saving a little bit of that stuff.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. We done did good. Okay, plug. Plug in the hole. The plug in the hole. You're full deal, brother.
No.
Well, it's good to know because it's a little bit, you just gotta tweak it a little bit.
God, I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing. Doing the swearing, the farting, and the burping.
Wow, that's pretty sweet, Russell. This is gonna be our wheel building area too. We're gonna get these out here. We wanna have this was real nice. So normally, you know, we do this with the tear off, eh?
Normally?
Yeah, because you have this issue right there. So.
Yeah.
There you go. And so normally we'll take a, right there. Just walk that off. And what we're allowed here, believe it or not, is 3 mils. So you could take a 3 mil and slide it in there, and so you're perfect here right now. That's awesome. Okay. Now we'll just do a couple checks here. Color tensiometer. 14. That's on the inside. 14. Now we go here. It should be a little tighter here. Yeah, see? So the drive side is tighter than this side because you're putting way more stress on there. So we're at 17. And then it's just the old swoosh swoosh. And that's not a bad idea to do that on your ride too, eh?
Just
Like
check your
once
forks.
a week, yeah.
Yeah, I usually go through and I clean it.
Just a good. So we're all finished Russell's bike. He had lots of black goo in his brakes. We got them all done. We reset his brakes. His bike's ready for the season, and I'm ready for a beer. So thanks for tuning in. Talk to you later. See you later. Bye now.